morning students. So yesterday I started the topic that is determinants and I explained how to expand the determinant of matrix 1 cross 1 and even 2 cross 2. Again I will start with determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. So once again I will start the matrix of order 2 cross 2. So what is the 2 cross 2? Already I told you. So determinant is defined only for square matrix. So what is a square matrix? So the matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. So now how to expand a determinant or a matrix of order 2 cross 2? So suppose if matrix A is in general is A, B, C, D. So order is 2 cross 2. In general A, B, C, D. So then what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is determinant of A, B, C, D. So where there is 2 rows and 2 columns, there are 4 elements. So first we have to multiply the elements in principal diagonal. Right, so this is principal diagonal and this is a secondary diagonal. First we have to multiply the elements in principal diagonal, that is A into D. Right, minus, next we have to multiply the elements in secondary diagonal, so that is this element, so that is B into C. So that is first we have to multiply the elements in principal diagonal A into D minus B into C. Right, so for example see matrix A is 2, 3, 1, 6. So this is matrix A. How to find the determinant? So that is determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2, 3, 1, 6. Right. So first we have to multiply the elements in principal diagonal. So that is equal to, so that is 2 into 6 is 12 minus, next we have to multiply the elements in secondary diagonal. So that is 2 into 6 is 12 minus 1 into 3 is 3. So that is 12 minus 3 is how much it is? 12 minus 3 is 9. Right. So matrix A is equal to 1, 3 minus 1, 4. 1, 3 minus 1, 4. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1, 3 minus 1, 4. 1, 3 minus 1, 4. Right. So multiply the elements in principal diagonal. So that is 1 into 4 is 4 minus multiply the elements in secondary diagonal. 1 into 4 is 4 minus, so put the bracket. So minus 1 into plus 3, minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3, right? So which is equal to, so 4 minus into minus is plus 3, so that is equal to 7, right? So matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Right, so determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, which is equal to, first we have to multiply these two elements. So that is left to right, right? So first we have to multiply these two elements. So that is 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, put minus then bracket, right? So next it is, next we have to multiply these two, right? So this minus into minus is plus, now this 3 into 2 is 6, now it is plus 6. So this minus is already there, right? So this minus into minus is plus, 3 into 2 is 6. So now it is minus 4 minus 6. What is minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10, right? So matrix A is equal to 2, 1, 0 minus 5. Right. So 2, 1, 0 minus 5. What is determinant of A? Determinant of A is 2, 1, 0 minus 5, which is equal to, first we have to multiply these elements. So 2 into minus 5. What is 2 into minus 5? Minus 10 minus, now 0 into 1. What is 0 into 1 is 0. So that is, what is the answer is minus 10. Right. So in general, a 2 cross 2 matrix having 4 elements. So that is A, B, C, D. Let us assume in general. How we can expand? First you have to multiply the elements in principal diagonal. So that is A into D minus, so that is B into C. So this is how we can expand any 2 cross 2 matrix. Right. So next the most important thing is, so that is next one. The most important, that is determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. See, for your syllabus we have only 1 cross 1, expansion of 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. Already I have seen expansion of 1 cross 1 and 2 cross 2. Now we will see how to expand a determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So what is the meaning of 3 cross 3? There are 3 rows and 3 columns, right? See, so matrix A, I will take matrix, so that is 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. So let us assume this is a matrix, right? So that is 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 3. So how to find the determinant of this matrix? See, so while expanding a 3 cross 3 matrix, we are following the sign convention, that is plus minus plus, minus plus minus, then plus minus plus. Right, so while expanding a 3 cross 3 matrix, we are following this sign convention. So this sign convention satisfies the adjacent property. What is the adjacent property? For any sign, we can see adjacent to these elements should have opposite sign. Even for this plus, there are 4 elements which are opposite in sign. So for this plus, we have minus in the adjacent side. For this minus, we have plus in the adjacent side. So there is some reason why we are taking this sign convention. So that I will explain while explaining the properties of determinants. So we have some properties. In that properties, I will explain why we are taking this sign convention. Right. So next in the next session we are having properties of determinants. In properties, I will explain so why we are following this sign convention. Right. So compulsory while explaining this 3 cross 3 matrix, first you have to write this sign convention. Right. So in 3 cross 3 matrix, we can see that so there are 3 rows, that is R1, R2, R3, so then C1, C2, C2, right? So there are 3 rows and 3 columns. You should note that. So in the expansion of a matrix of order 3 cross 3, we can expand. We have totally 6 options. We can expand by using first row. We can expand this determinant by using first row, or we can expand this determinant by using second row. We can expand this determinant by using third row. Similarly, we can expand by using first column. Similarly, we can expand by using second column. We can expand by using third column. So totally we have 6 methods or 6 options to expand a 3 cross 3 matrix. Right? So either we can expand by using R1, or we can expand by using R2, or we can expand by using R3, similarly C1, C2, C3. In all the cases, the determinant value will be same. There is no change. Right? Either we can expand by using row or any row or any column, that determinant value will remain same. It doesn't change. Right? So this is the first problem. I will expand this matrix by using R1 and R2, R3, similarly C1, C2, C3, and I will show that determinant in all the cases it will be same. Right? So this is the first problem. That is the reason why I am expanding by using all the rows and all the columns. Right? But in the problems, while expanding, we can expand either by using R1, R2, R3, or C1, C2, C3. We can expand by taking any row or any column. But normally the convention is regularly we are using R1, that is first row, to expand any matrix. Right? So you may get confusion by taking different rows or different columns. But normally the conventional or normally we are expanding the matrix by using R1 in all the problems. Right? So this is the first problem. Now I will show that the determinant value by using first row, by using second row, by using third row. Similarly, by using first column, second column and third column, I will expand and I will show that the determinant value will be same by using any row or any column. Right? So, but in problems, we are expanding by using R1. Right? So that is the conventional method what I am following. We can use any row or any column. Right? So now we will expand this matrix by using all the rows and all the columns. See. So now by using R1 means by using first row, now we will expand it. See. So determinant of A, this is very important. If you understand how to expand a 3 cross 3 matrix, 50% of this topic is over. Right? So many students, they commit mistakes while expanding a 3 cross 3 matrix. Right? If you understood this carefully, so 50% of this chapter is over. See, the determinant of A, it is 1, 3, 2. So it is 2, 4, 1. So 3, 2, 3. So this is some matrix. So when you put the determinant, when we draw a vertical lines, so that matrix will become a determinant. See, how to expand C by using R1. So now we have to follow this sign convention. This is R1. So what is the sign of first element? It is plus. So now see here. So determinant of A. Now it is plus into first row. Now I am expanding by using R1. Now plus 1 see here. Now if it is minus, so it will become minus into plus is minus 1. Now it is plus 1, so it is plus, therefore plus into plus is plus 1. Now see here, what we have to do, now we have to leave the row and column where this 1 is present. Now we have to leave the row and column where this 1 is present. 1 is present in first row and first column, we have to leave this. This 1 is present in first column as well as first row, we left with 2 cross 2, that is 4, 1, 2, 3, that we have to write here. Right, so 1 into, what is the second element? Now I am expanding by using R1, the first element is over. That is first element sign is plus, plus into plus is plus, right? So plus 1 into, we have to leave the row and column where that element is present. This 1 is present in first column and first row, we have to leave the first row and first column. So left element we have to write here 4, 1, 2. So what is the sign of second element is minus. So minus into plus is minus. So don't consider this sign. While expanding R1, only see the sign of the first row elements, right? While expanding R2, we are going to take this sign. While expanding using R3, we are going to take that sign, right? So now, what is the sign of second element? It is minus. Now here it is plus. Now it is minus into plus is, it is minus 3. Suppose if it is minus 3, so then minus into minus it will become plus 3, right? So now minus into plus is minus 3. Now where this 3 is present? 3 is present in second column and first row. We have to leave these two. Where 3 is present? 3 is present in first row and second column. Now we have to write the left out elements. That is 2, 1. What is left here? 2, 1. Then 3, 3. Right? So now, what is the third element? So second element is over. What is the third element in R1? What is the third element in R1? So third element in R1 is 2. What is the sign of this element? Plus. Plus into plus is plus 2. Now plus 2 into. Now we have to leave the column where this 2 is present. It is third column and first row. Right? So where this 2 is present, it is present in first row and third column. What is left here? 2, 4, 3, 2. So that is 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Right? Now we can expand. See here. So already we know how to expand. These all are 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 determinants. Already explained how to expand. First we have to multiply these two. That is 4 into 3 is 12 minus. Now we have to multiply. 4 into 3 is 12 minus 2 into 1 is. Right, so minus 3 into, now we have to multiply these two. 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 into 1 is 3. Right, so plus 2 into, now we have to multiply these two. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 3 into 4 is 12. Already we know how to expand 2 cross 2. So 4 into 3 is 12 minus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3 into bracket 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 into 1 is 3. 2 into bracket 2 into 2 is 4 minus 3 into 4 is 12. Right? So now see here 12 minus 2 it is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. So 6 minus 3 it is 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. 4 minus 12 minus 8. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Minus 8 into plus 2 minus 16. Right? So 10 minus 9 it is 1. 1 minus 16 is how much it is? Minus 15. Therefore, determinant of this is how much it is? Minus 15. Right? So, every square matrix associated with some real value. So, this value we call it as determinant. Right? Determinant of this matrix is how much it is? Minus 15. Now, we are expanding by using R1. R1 means first element. Right? So, that is 1. We have to leave the column and row where this element is present. So, when we leave this column and row, what is left here? 4, 1, 2, 3. That we have to write here. Sign of second element is minus. Minus into plus is minus 3. Now we have to leave this column and row where this 3 is present. We left with 2, 1, 3, 3. That we have to write here. So next third element in first row is 2. Now we have to leave the column and row where this 1 is present. What is left here? 2, 4, 3, 2. Then expand this 2 cross 2 determinant and multiply. We are getting the determinant value. So now again I will expand the same by using second row. Now I will expand the same by using second row and I will show that the determinant value will remain same. See. Now I will expand by using R2. See. First row, now expanded by using first row. Now using R2. Using second row, I will expand. Right? So determinant of A is equal to determinant of CM. So determinant of 1, determinant of 1, 3, 2, then 2, 4, 1. So that is 3, 2. Now I am expanding by using second row, that is R2. Now we have to consider these elements, that is 2, 4, 1. Right? So what is the sign of, this is second row, right? What is the sign of first element it is? Now it is over. What is the sign of it is? Minus. Now it is minus into plus is minus 2. Right? So what is the sign of this element? It is minus. Now here it is plus. Just to multiply this. That is minus into plus is minus 2. Now we have to write this 2 cross 2. How we can write? So we have to leave the row and column where this 2 is present. So where this 2 is present, this 2 is present in second row, and where this 2 is present, it is in first column. Right? So we have to leave the row and column where this element 2 is present. That 2 is present in second row and first column. What is left here? 3, 2, 2, 3. Now it is 3, 2, 2, 3. Right? So what is the second element in R2? Now first element is over. What is the second element in R2? What is the second element in R2? Second element is 4. What is the sign of this element? It is plus. Now first element is 2. Now leave this row and use this column. What is left here? 3, 2, 2, 3. That we have to write. Right? So what is the second element? It is 4. What is the sign of that element? It is plus. That is plus into plus is plus 4. Now we have to leave the row where this 4 is present. This 4 is present in second row and second column. What is left here? 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? So 4 into what is left here? Second row and second column. 1, 2, 3, 3. So then what is the third element? Cn. Now this is over. What is the third element in R2? Right? So what is the third element in R2? Cn. What is the third element in R2? In second row, third element is 1. What is sign of this element? It is minus. Minus into plus is minus 1. Minus into plus is minus 1. Now where this 1 is present? It is present in second row and third column. We have to use. Now what is left here? 1, 3, 3, 2. Now it is 1, 3, 3. Now we have to expand this. Right? So now minus 2 into Cn. Minus 2 into. Now first we have to multiply this. So 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. Right? So plus 4 into. Now 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. Right? So minus 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 3 into 3 is 9. Right? So minus 2 into 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 4. 4 into 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 1 into 2 minus 9. Right? So now see here. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 into minus 2. Minus 10. Right? So 3 minus 6. Minus 3. Minus 3 into plus 4. Minus 12. Right? So 2 minus 9. Minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 1. Minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. So determinant of A. Minus 10 minus 12. Minus 22. Minus 22 plus 7. That is minus 15. We can see that by using R1 also we expanded. We got the answer that is minus 15. Now I am expanding by using R2. So now also I am getting answer that is minus 15. Right? So by using second row 2 into. So where this 2 is present? First column and second row. Right? So leave that. Write the remaining elements. Next sign of second element is plus. Plus into plus is 4. So 4 into. Leave this column, leave this row. Write the remaining 2 cross 2 determinant. Next sign of next element is minus. Minus into plus is minus 1. Where this 1 is present? Third column and second row. Leave that. Write the remaining 2 cross 2 determinant. So then expand it. So expand 2 cross 2 determinant and multiply. While expanding and multiplying, you should be very careful about the sign, that is plus into minus, minus into plus. So that sign convention, addition and subtraction, you should do it very carefully. So therefore, determinant value is minus 15. So in matrix method, we are having one 5 marks problem on matrix method. In matrix method, if you are getting wrong answer in determinant, so that whole problem will become wrong. Right? So while expanding, you should be very careful and you should get the correct answer. Right? So now I will expand by using third row. Right? So now I will expand by using third row C. Now I am using R3 C. Now by using R3, so that is A is equal to Cn. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of C. 1, 3, 2. So that is 2, 4, 1, 3, 2. Now I will expand by using R3. What is R3? This is R3. Now we can expand by using R3. What is the sign of first element it is? What is sign of first element in R3? This is R3. Now sign of first element is plus. It is plus into plus is plus. While expanding that row, only we have to consider the sign. Don't consider the sign of first and second row. While expanding by using R1, only consider the sign of R1. While expanding by using R2, only consider the sign of second row. While expanding by using R3, only consider the sign of third row. Right? So now plus. So plus into plus is where this 3 is present. 3 is present in third row and first column. Now leave these two. When you leave these two, what is left here? What is left here? 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. Right, so now this is what. Then what is the second element in R3? What is the next element in R3? The next element in R3 is what it is? 2. What is sign of this element? What is sign of this element? Minus. Minus into plus. What is minus into plus is? Minus 2. Right, so where this 2 is present? This 2 is present in third row and second column. Third row and second column. What is left here? It is 1, 2, 2, 1. So that you have to write 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Right. So what is the third element in R3? What is the next element? So that is 3. So what is the sign of this 3? What is sign of this 3? It is plus. So that is plus into plus is plus 3 into determinant of. So where this 3 is present? So this 3 is present in third row and third column. Right. So third and third column. What is left here? 1, 3, 2, 4. So that is 1, 3, 2, 4. Now we have to expand this. Right. So determinant of A is equal to 3 into. First we have to multiply this. 3 into 1 is 3 minus. So 4 into 2 is 8. Right. So next minus 2 into bracket. Next 1 into 1 is 1 minus 2 into 2 is 4. Right. So plus 3 into. So 1 into 4 is 4 minus 2 into 3 is 6. Right. So therefore determinant of A. So 3 minus 8 minus 5. Minus 5 into plus 3 minus 15. 1 minus 4. What is 1 minus 4? Minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2. That is plus 6. Right. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. 4 minus 6. Minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 3. Minus 6. Right. So determinant of A. Plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? It is minus 15. Using R1 also we got minus 50. Using R2 also we got minus 50. Now using R3. We can use any row or any column. That determinant value will remain same. So now using R3. Now these 3 into CL. I will explain once again. So while using R3. Now these 3 into. Leave this row and leave this column. 3, 2, 4, 1. Right. Sign of next element is minus. Minus into plus is minus 2. Now leave this column, leave this row, 1, 2, 2, 1. You have to write. Next third element is plus, plus into plus is plus. Now leave this column, leave this row. So it is 1, 3, 2, 4. Next you expand this 2 cross 2, right? Expand this 2 cross 2 and simplify. We are getting determinant value as minus 15. Right? So next I will expand by using columns. Right? So next I will expand by using column C. Next I will expand by using column C. Sign is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now I will expand by using column, that is first column. So what is the first column? This is C1. Right? So now this is C1. What is the sign of first element in first column? That is plus. So plus into plus here. So determinant of A equal to determinant of 1, 3, 2. So 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 3. Now we have to expand by using C1. This is C1. Right? So first element sign is plus, plus into plus is plus. So that is 1 into, where this 1 is present? 1 is present in first row and first column. So what is left here? 4, 1, 2, 3. So right here. So what is the next element in first column? What is the next element in first column? The next element is what? It is 2. What is the sign of next element? Now I am doing expanding by using column, that is first column. So what is the next element? It is sign is minus. So minus into plus is minus 2. Now where this 2 is present? So now leave that row and leave that column. So what is left here? 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 2. Right? So next, what is the third element in first column? What is the third element in first column? What is the third element in first column? It is 3. So what is the sign of 3? 3 is plus. What is the sign of 3? It is plus. Plus into plus is plus 3 into determinant of C. Determinant of where this 3 is present? Third row and first column. So what is left here? 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. Right? So therefore determinant of A equal to 1 into 4 into 3 is 12 minus 2 into 1 is 2. Right? So minus 2 into, so 3 into 3 is 9 minus 2 into 2 is 4. Right? So plus 3 into 3 into 1 is 3 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Right? So now see determinant of A. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 into minus 2, minus 10. 3 minus 8, minus 5. Minus 5 into plus 3. Minus 5 into plus 3 is how much? Minus 50. So this will get cancelled. What is determinant of A is how much it is? Now by using first column, that is C1 also we are getting how much it is? Minus 50. Right? So next, expand by using C2. That is second column. Now we will expand by using C2, C. Now we will expand by using second column. So that is determinant of A is equal to determinant of C. So 1, 3, 2. So that is 2, 4, 1. So that is 3, 2. Right? So second column, this is second column. What is the first element in second column? What is the sign of this element? It is minus. So minus into plus is minus 2. Now what is the sign of this is C2? What is the sign of first element in C2? Minus. Minus into plus is minus 3. Now leave this column. Now where this 3 is present? 3 is present in second column and first row. What is left here? 2, 1, 3, 3. 2, 1, 3. What is the sign of next element? It is plus. Plus into plus here. Next, what is the next element in second column? It is 4. So what is the next sign of that element is plus. So plus into plus is plus 4 into determinant of. Now where this 4 is present? It is present in second row and second column. What is left here? 1, 2, 3, 3. That you have to write here. Next, what is the sign of third element in second column? What is the sign of third element in second column? That is minus. So now this is the third element in second column. So minus into plus is minus 2 into determinant of C. Now where this 2 is present? That is right. So second column and third row. What is left here? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Right. So this is how we can expand. So that is minus 3 into 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. Right. So plus 4 into. So 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 2 into 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 into minus 3. Minus 9. 3 minus 6 minus 3 into plus 4. Minus 12. Right. So 1 minus 4 minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2. Plus 6. Minus 9 minus 12. So that is minus 21. Minus 21 plus 6. That is minus 2. So by using C2, so by using second column also we are getting how much is minus 50. Right. So then last one by using third column. So this is the first problem. Why I am explaining the expansion by using first row, second row, third row, similarly first column, second column and third column. But in problem we can do any one by using R1, R2, R3 or C1, C2, C3. Normally we are doing by using R1, that is first row. Right. So next by using C3, that is third column. Next the last one is by using third column Cn. So by using C3. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1, 3, 2. So that is 2, 4, 1, 3, 2. Right. So 3, 2. Now this is the third column, that is C. Right. So what is the sign convention of third? This is plus. Now this is element. Plus into plus is plus 2. Where this 2 is present? 2 is present in first row and third column. What is left here? 2, 4, 3. So we can do by inspection. For this is first column, that's why I am drawing like this. Otherwise we can write it directly, no problem. So what is the sign of next element? It is minus. Now see how to write. Minus is minus into plus. It is minus 1. Now leave the row and column where this 1 is present. Now this is second row and third column. What is left here? 1, 3, 3, 2. 1, 3, 3. Right. So what is the third element in third column? It is plus. Plus into plus is plus 3 into determinant of. Where this 3 is present? This 3 is present in third row and third column. What is left here? 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. Right. So therefore determinant of A is equal to 2 into, first we have to multiply this. 2 into 2 is 4. Right. So minus 3 into 4 is 4. Right. So similarly minus 1 into, so 1 into 2 is 2. Right. First we have to multiply this. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. Right. So plus 3 into, first we have to multiply this. 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 2 into 3 is 6. right? So therefore determinant of A equal to 4 minus 12 minus 8 into plus 2, that is minus 16. 2 minus 9 minus 7 into minus 1, that is plus 7. Right? So then 4 minus 6 minus 2 into plus 3, minus 2 into plus 3 is how much it is? Minus 2 into plus 6, minus 6. So now minus 16 plus 7 minus 9 minus 6, that is equal to how much it is? Minus 15. So now what is the conclusion, students? So now we can expand the determinant by using any row or any column. That determinant value will remain same, right? By using R1 also we can expand, by using first row, by using second row also we can expand, by using third row also we can expand, by using first column, second column and third column. The determinant value in all the cases is how much it is? Minus 15, right? So in the problems, while solving a problem, normally I am expanding by using first row. That is the convention what I am following, right? If students having any confusion, just to practice how to expand a determinant by using R1, that is first row, right? So this is the expansion of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So this is very important. So practice the expansion of 3 cross 3 matrix as much as possible. So I will give some examples of expansion of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. I will give some examples here. Matrix A is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, 7. Matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 7, 1, 3, 5. So just try to expand these two matrices by using any row or any column. It is not, if you want, you can expand by using R1, R2, R3 and similarly C1, C2, C3 for your justification. Otherwise it is not necessary, right? So expand these two matrices which are of order 3 cross 3 by using any row or any column, right? So I hope you understood the expansion of 3 cross 3 matrix, right? So we can expand by using any row or any column, right? So if you are having any doubts, so let me tell in the group. So we will explain once again this expansion of 3 cross 3 matrix in the next class, and we'll start with the next concept, that is properties of determinant, right? So okay, just try to solve these two problems. So remaining things will continue in the next class. Thank you, students.